Welcome to SQL tutorial. In previous session, we have created database named db underscore trigger. Then we started using that database, created three tables: product, stock, and orders table. Now in this session, I am going to insert values to the table. So you can see product table is empty here. Product ID, product description, and price is the column name. Okay, now I am going to insert data to the table. So I'll write insert into product, insert into product, insert into product is the table name. What I am going to insert? Values. You can see insert into table name and values, product ID, product description, and price. So I am going to select this, execute. You'll see one row affected. Then what to do? Then try to check that table. So I am going to select this table, and if you check, one row, one record is inserted to the table. Similarly, I am going to execute this insert into table name, that is product, and values, product ID, product description, and price. Let's execute it. One row affected, and try to check the table. Once you check the table, you will find second entry. Next, I am going to use insert into product and values, product ID, and then description, monitor, and price. Execute, and once again check that table. You can see three records are here. Okay, three records are here. Now I am going to make it 100% such that you can see the table properly. Now fourth ID I am going to insert. Execute it and then check the table. You will find four records are there. Next, fifth one. In this, execute, then check the table. You can see all 5 line items, 5 records, or you can say 5 rows are created or inserted into the table product. Now in next session, we'll insert values into stock table, or if time permits, we can do here also. So let me maximize it, and let's insert into stock. What to insert? Values. And what kind of values? So just check the stock table here, execute. You'll find product ID and stock quantity is there. Okay, so product ID say P0001 product ID, and stock quantity say 200. Fine. So initially stock is empty. Now I am going to execute this. You can see one row affected. Now what to do? Check this table. You can find one record is inserted. Okay, one record is inserted. Just for visibility, I am taking this here. Okay, once you select, only one record is inserted. I am going to insert next record. Just copy this, paste this, say 2, and here say 100. Fine. Now execute this, one row affected. Now check the table. Then you can see 2 records are there. Fine. Similarly, Control C, then what to do? Control V. Fine. Make it 3 and make it 300. Select, execute, and check the table. You can see 3 records are inserted. Insert into table name and values. What kind of values? As per column, you have to provide the values. Say this is 4, and here take it 400. Now select, execute and check the table. Then you can see 4 record is inserted into stock. Control C, then Control V. Fifth, find and say it is 150. Select it, execute it and check the table. Check the table. You can find this. So what we have done as per now we have created 3 tables and we have inserted data into 2 tables. Okay, one table is still we have to insert. Here first table was, say, select a star from, table was product. Select a star from. Now I am going to select these 2 tables, execute. You will be getting both table here. I mean product one, let's see like that. Control X and I am writing here Control V. Select this, execute this. You can find product ID, product description and price, and another table which is a stock table, product ID and stock quantity. Now our target is to insert values to the order column, right? Insert value to the order column. So how to do that? Insert into orders. What to insert? Values. Okay, and check it. Select asterisk. Suppose I am going to take like that. Fine. And orders table. Now first see how it looks. So order ID, customer ID, product ID and quantity we have to give. Order ID, what would be the order ID? Say O0001. This is order ID. What about customer ID? Say customer ID is C0001. Fine. Customer ID. I want product ID. Say P0001. Product ID. And quantity say 20. Fine. Insert into table name and values we have given. Now I am going to execute this and then check your order table. You will be getting, this is the table. Fine. So this is how we can insert data into the tables. Once again I am going to just copy paste, and here also I will copy paste, here also I will copy paste, here also I will copy paste, and just make it fast 2, then here make it 2, here make it 2, and here make it 10. Fine. And here make it 3, here make it 3, here make it 3, and here make it 3, here make it 4, here make it 4, here also make it 4, and here also make it 4, and here make it 5, 5, 5, and here make it 10. Fine. So just I am going to insert all this data. Code is ready, just a script is ready. Select, execute. Fine. And then check this order table. You can see all orders are here. Okay, so this one is inserted twice, order 1, so we can remove that in the next session. So thank you for watching. In this session what we have done, we have created 3 tables, and subsequently we will learn how to utilize trigger concept on the tables. Thank you for watching.